What's up guys, today I'm playing at Warminster. I'm using my short barrel SSG and my lightened SSP1. Today's game is attack and defend. Both teams are split into three. Each team gets a base, fire base, church and the White House. I'm part of fire base. The enemy, from my team at least, are attacking from tank. They have to try and steal a crystal from each of our bases before taking them to Stargate. Once they take them to Stargate and have all the crystals, they unlock a tactical nuke that they can take to Vietnam Village. The aim is to blow up the Longhouse. That's how you win. Let's see how it panned out. Being one of the first hit is played to my advantage, as I was now able to attack the enemies from the respawn that was perpendicular to them, meaning
he got hit,
I didn't even know I was coming.
It's the next building down. I got some range down there. So. He's not calling it, he's just looking round like, who the f hit me? I can't actually physically see him. Dead.
Getting shot from behind. Watch out.
Hit!
After being killed this time, I fall back and decide to reinforce the village.
Hit!
Oh fuck.
There's one. That should have got you.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, hit! I'll just try and hold them off at the top.
That buzzer marks the end of the 2-hour game. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know what you liked.